Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to create a P&ID diagram using MockFlow IdeaBoard in under 2 minutes. First, let's see what P&ID means. A P&ID is a diagram that shows how equipment, pipes, and instruments are connected, helping you understand how a system works. Here, we are going to create a process flow P&ID diagram. Inside your IdeaBoard editor, start by adding a section component to use as your background, and customize it as needed. Then, click on the library and open the Shapes section. From there, choose the P&ID pack. You'll find a wide range of components organized into different categories. Simply drag and drop the required elements onto the canvas. You can double-click on each component to add labels or names. Once all the components are placed, connect them using arrow connectors to indicate the flow. As you complete the connections, you'll get a clear and complete view of your P&ID diagram. After creating the diagram, you can export it by clicking on Export from the quick toolbar and selecting Download, making it easy to share with your team. And that's how you can create P&ID diagrams effortlessly using MockFlow IdeaBoard in under 2 minutes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video guides.